Dapat daw kakanta ko. Kaya ito, kakantahin ko to. Isang paboritong kanta ko para sa akin na isa sa pinakamagandang love song na na-compose. Isang masakit pero malungkot pero napakaganda. Kaya ito, pakinggan nyo tong kanta to. Parang isipin nyo na lang na yan, kasama nyo yung mga girlfriend nyo para mas ma-appreciate nyo tong kanta. Kasama nyo yung girlfriend nyo ngayon tapos isipin nyo na lang bukas split na kayo. Ito yung ito yung kanta para sa inyo. Ito yung kanta para sa inyo. Okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, Direct Edgar Bobot Mortiz.
Ito yung mag-girlfriend kayo, nangarap kayo, sabay kayo, tapos split kayo, di ba? Malungkot, masakit. You and me, we wanted it all. We wanted it all. Passion without pain, sunshine without rainy days. We wanted it always, you and me. For the sky, the limit was high, never giving in, certain we could win that prize. I should have seen it in your eyes. Look how all our dreams came true. See how I've got me, baby, you got you. Through it all, just one thing died, a little thing called love, something deep inside. You and me were not like the rest. Once were the best. Back when we were dumb, how did we become so smart and learn to break each other's heart? Look how all our dreams came true. See how I've got me, and baby, got me. Through it all, just one thing died, a little thing called love, something deep inside. You and me, we're not like the rest. We once were the best. But look what we became. Isn't it a crying shame that we almost made it, but we wanted it all. Baby, you and me, we wanted it all.